Vitamin D and sunshine for bone strength. Greetings, everyone. Today, we're about to embark on a sunny adventure into the world of vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Join us as we uncover the vital role it plays in keeping your bones strong and resilient. So, let's dive in and bask in the glow of this enlightening journey. The importance of vitamin D for bone health. Our bones are the pillars of our bodies, and they deserve the best care possible. That's where vitamin D comes in. Here's why it's so crucial for bone health. Calcium absorption. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, the primary building block of bones. Without enough vitamin D, your bones may become brittle and weak. Bone mineralization. It promotes the mineralization of bones, making them denser and less susceptible to fractures. Muscle function. Strong bones work hand in hand with your muscles, allowing you to move freely and maintain balance, reducing the risk of falls and injuries. How the body produces vitamin D through sunlight. One of the most fascinating things about vitamin D is that your body can make it itself, with a little help from the sun. Here's how it works. When your skin is exposed to sunlight, specifically ultraviolet B, UVB, rays, it synthesizes a precursor molecule into active vitamin D. This newly formed vitamin D is then transported to your liver and kidneys, where it's converted into its active form, ready to boost your bone health. Recommendations for safe sun exposure. While we all love a good dose of sunshine, it's essential to be sun smart. Here are some recommendations for safe sun exposure. Timing matters. Aim for brief sun exposure during the early morning or late afternoon to reduce the risk of sunburn. Skin protection. Use sunscreen with at least SPF 30 when spending extended time in the sun. Wear protective clothing, a hat, and sunglasses. Skin type. Fair skin requires less time in the sun to produce vitamin D than darker skin. Adjust your sun exposure accordingly. Latitude and season. Your location and the season can affect the strength of UVB rays. In winter or at higher latitudes, you may need more sun exposure. Tips for getting enough vitamin D, especially during winter. But what about those gloomy winter months when sunshine seems scarce? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Dietary sources include vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, eggs, fortified dairy or plant-based milk, and mushrooms in your diet. Supplements. Consult with a healthcare professional about vitamin D supplements, especially if you have limited sun exposure or specific dietary restrictions. Indoor activities. Participate in indoor activities like yoga, dancing, or workouts to stay active when outdoor sun isn't an option. Light therapy lamps. Consider using light therapy lamps that mimic natural sunlight to boost your vitamin D levels during the winter. So, there you have it, folks. Vitamin D, your trusty companion in maintaining strong and healthy bones. Remember, a little sunshine can go a long way, but always protect your skin and adjust your approach to sun exposure based on your individual needs. And when the sun takes a break, turn to vitamin D-rich foods, supplements, or indoor activities to keep your bones in tip-top shape. Until next time, stay sunny and stay strong.